Welcome to today's tutorial. In this session, we'll focus on extracting specific elements from an array based on their position. Our program will allow us to retrieve every nth element from a given array. This technique can be useful in situations like sampling data or processing elements at specific intervals. The problem is straightforward. We take an array of elements and extract every nth element based on a given interval. For example, with nth being 2, we retrieve the second, fourth, and sixth elements from the array. With the nth being 3, we extract the third and sixth elements. Here's the implementation. The function takes two arguments, the array r and the interval nth. We use the filter method to process each element. The condition I modulo nth is equal to nth minus 1 ensures that we pick only the nth elements. Finally, the function returns a new array containing the selected elements. The program operates in 4 simple steps. First, we take an input array and define the interval for extraction. Second, we use the filter method to process each element, checking if it matches the condition. Third, only elements at positions satisfying I modulo nth is equal to nth minus 1 are included in the output. And finally, we return the new array with the extracted elements. Here are some examples. For the first one, with nth being 1, we include all elements so the output matches the input array. With nth being 2, we extract every second element, 2, 4, and 6. And for nth being 3, we just get 3 and 6. Finally, with nth being 4, only the fourth element, 4, is included. This method has numerous practical applications. Data sampling. When working with large datasets, you can extract a sample at irregular intervals for analysis. Game mechanics. We use this technique to retrieve specific levels or scores from a game's dataset. Pagination. To implement pagination by dividing data into chunks and selecting specific elements. In summary, the every nth function is a powerful tool for array processing. By using modern JavaScript techniques like the filter method, we've created a concise and efficient solution. This approach is not only easy to implement, but also versatile for a variety of use cases. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this tutorial, please make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more JavaScript tutorials. I'll see you in the next one.